Today's first look, we have a car that's very special to my heart, a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette L88. This is lot number 1328. This is one of the original 80 L88s built in 1968, powered by the 427, 430 horsepower, we'll talk about that later, V8 engine mated to the M22 Rock Crusher transmission. This is a documented car, has the original build sheet still glued to the gas tank. They just removed the tank. What is an L88? What makes it different? Well, you can tell the hood is different. It has a fresh air cleaning system on it, aluminum heads. Because of the insurance companies, they wanted to derate these. These are actually more, people vary what they think, 560 to 580 horsepower. If you tune them and they're on the right fuel, 12.5 to 1 compression, solid lifter cam, all the best internals are put in these. One of my first cars in high school was a 1968 Corvette. I upgraded it to L88 specs, not sure that was smart because I blew it up a few times. But these are animals. To take them out and drive them, when you upgrade these engines to that, these tires do not handle the amount of power that these cars put out, the way they lope, the way they sound. They take you back to that era of when cars back then made horsepower with a lot of compression and a lot of camshaft, and that's what an L88 is. Mythical cars. It's painted in beautiful polar white with a red leather interior, radio delete. These cars were meant to go out and race. A lot of them were heater deletes also, didn't have a lot of creature comforts to them. It's a T-top with a removable rear window in it. I love this color combination. Now it's got some upgrades on it. It has the rally wheels on it. Other than that, this car is all business, a real deal. L88 still has the original spare tire that has never been used. It has less than 25,000 miles on it. With that build sheet, doesn't get any better than this, other than it's selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale auction in January 2022. The 22nd through the 30th, we are celebrating 50 years of the world's greatest collector car auctions with incredible cars like this Corvette at no reserve. Make it to Scottsdale.